always been growing, and it's because of our work ethic. It's because of the quality product we put out. You know, CRT doesn't let its employees down like it doesn't let its customers down.
CRT is an independent FAA repair station that currently employs 380 motivated and talented people. We provide a customer service to turbine engine component repair. The three main groups that we handle are original engine manufacturers, turbine engine maintenance shops, and airlines.
What we do is we overhaul turbine engine components, and most of these are on airplanes. So when you get on a plane to fly anywhere in the world, there's usually a jet engine hanging on the wing out there. There's a few of them, and every so often they have to take them apart to repair them. When they do that, they send the parts out to shops like ours. When a part comes in, we have to evaluate it and figure out what's wrong with it. So a lot of the jobs that you see here are about inspecting and testing the part, cleaning it, taking it apart. Then after that, we start repairing it.
Take parts of jet engines and cut them up and weld on them and spray pretty high-tech coatings on them, and then cut them back to their original shapes.
On a daily basis, we inspect the parts as they come from our customer, and it's our job to give a detailed report back to them so we can quote it correctly and provide the necessary information for them to do the repairs so we can get it back to working condition.
I think the biggest reason to work in manufacturing is it's in my opinion, it's the engine of the economy. It's what you make money from. You know, I mean, there's a lot of services that you can buy and sell out there to do different things, but ultimately something has to be produced from some raw material to then make that money. It's not very often that you would walk into any kind of shop of this size in this geographic location and you would have everything under one roof that we do here. We have a lot of variety of processes here at CRT that you wouldn't find in many shops, and it's because we can control our turnaround time and how quickly we get things done. It's also the basis of how things are made. You know, I mean, if you're in manufacturing, you understand how things work. It's physics, it's math, it's science, and people I think that work in manufacturing have a lot better understanding of the world around them. Being here, you get exposure to everything. In any other company, get involved in, say, machine shop with a little bit of welding or weld fabrication with a little bit of machining and maybe a little bit of heat treating, but all of those would probably usually be separate businesses. It can be challenging because there's a lot more to learn, but it's also neat because there's a lot more to get into.
Well, they've actually had a couple of the local colleges come in and provide some GD&T training. I was sent away to CMM programming, where they taught us all the more technical aspects of CMM programming, and just the everyday training that we had here with dealing with the customers and knowing how to read the inspection manuals.
When I come to work, it's like having a family. Everybody here is really caring, really nice. It's just a really nice environment. People are very friendly, happy. Everybody's always willing to help each other.
If you enjoy working, you enjoy having a good paycheck and great health insurance, it's a good place to be.
Being surrounded by a lot of good people, doing something that's interesting. You're doing aerospace work. I mean, not too many people can say that.
The benefits are really good. Just the people we work with, everybody's, can communicate well with each other.
One of the best things about CRT is the stability of the job. We've grown through the last recession. We grow through hard times in the market. We've always been growing.
It's a well-rounded place and good benefits, and everyone is willing to help you out. If you have any help, don't hesitate to ask questions. And it's a loving place. I really like it.
We have an open environment here that's based on trust and fairness. We have employment opportunities at all skill levels. If you have a strong work ethic and a good attitude and a willingness to learn, this is a great company to work for.